Okay, so now they got left lane. Look out, look out.
Take that phone off on that.
Huh?
Move that camera.
Okay, it ain't gonna ring, but it's gonna let me know. Yeah. Man, I'ma know it's you now. Chucky. I'ma know it's you. I remember Chucky. What happened to my live on TikTok? I got banned for hateful behavior. My TikTok got banned for hateful behavior. I guess they thought, see, Nuke looked like he about to fight somebody. They done banned my damn TikTok. Looking at Silver Dog, I mean at Nuke, man. Can't put the camera on his ass. They think somebody, all that hollering, they think somebody finna fight or a fight going on, and they on TikTok don't want no violence on their social media platform. Hey. I just got my TikTok live back. I see I'm gonna be going through that out. Well, I can't go to Nuke. Nuke look like he about to hurt somebody. And TikTok get it misunderstood that that's just how he talk. They think he being hateful. I read the thing. What it say? Where scrappers at, bro? I don't know. You see they ain't right here? That mean they way back there where I ain't trying to go. What's up with it? I guess with King Artone, I guess.
I mean, it's video. You can make it the picture.
Okay, I'll make it. Hold on. I got you right there.
Right here. No, that's how you drive. That's how you drive. But youngster, baddest mother, don't say it.
I got it. One of these good. I got a good one, man.
I ain't lying. Ain't nobody bad like you doing his thing. That's how you drive, son, man. That's how you drive. You kill that motherfucker anyway.
I was trying to see something. I got good hoes that way. Which one? Oh, that's about the good one right there. Yeah.
Yeah, that was it, the one you just passed.
That's the one?
Yeah, that's the one right there.
Yeah.
It's like the field down.
Okay.
Bad motherfucking name. Look out. So
That go Funker Town. Oh yeah, I need
Did he say I didn't want to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he the one keep time. I'm betting 400.
Oh,
If he want me to bet, I got 5.
Where you betting at Funker Town?
Tony?
Oh, Tony gonna win.
I got 5 and I want some more. I got 5 and I want some more. He always talking. He ain't gonna do shit.
Damn, I had betted somebody 40. Who the hell I bet 40? I done bet somebody 40 on the other side. I done bet it on the other side.
I'm betting 400.
Yeah. Oh, he got Pretty Tony.
He been sleeping. He don't do nothing but sleep. All you gonna hear at the end of the race is, it was a setup. Nah, he was a setup with Gary Cannon.
Yeah.
This ain't no setup.
So that was a setup?
That was a setup.
He ain't gonna bet shit, man.
That bet $400.
Hey, if he lose, he always gonna say some shit big. Watch what he say. Hey, on my mama, he gonna say something big. Hey, watch this, dog. Hey, I bet you 100, he say some shit big.
On my mama.
Hey, bet 100. You gonna say some shit
This
big.
race not fit.
Hey, Nancy gonna tear that motherfucker ass up. He ain't gonna be no muffin. Hey, it ain't gonna be no blueberry muffin no more. His name just gonna be muffin. That motherfucker just gonna be muffin. We gonna knock the blueberry out there. That motherfucker just
Hey, nasty, you gap.
I
He
think
gon' gap. He gon' gap that weak bitch. Gon' gap that weak motherfucker.
And go to muffin, motherfucker.
Say it.
Hey.
Gon' down that weak motherfucker.
Hey, it ain't gonna be no more. Hey,
Weak as God.
I had bet it over. I thought he was gonna win.
No more blueberry muffin. It's gonna be raspberry.
Hey.
We're gonna knock the blue off that.
Blueberry muffin in the motherfucking oven, baby.
Yeah, it's in the
Pop
oven.
him in his ass.
Damn. Boom.
Hey, we ain't gonna go up like this. We gonna go in the real.
Oh, in the real?
Raspberry muffin.
Boom.
Okay.
There ain't gonna be no blueberry muffin. Hey, they don't even sell blueberries in the store no more.
down.
It's gonna be a raspberry muffin.
Yeah, that upper.
mean what? In the ring. We going for box. Boom.
Yeah. Funky Town going with blueberry muffin. Yeah.
Gap.
Hey man, I done told you, dog. It's raspberry muffin. Ain't no
Fucking gap.
Man, they
Fucking gap.
Hey, I bet I knock your hat
Hey.
forward, motherfucker.
Hey.
Watch, after the race, his hat gonna be forward.
Hey.
Oh my
Hey.
mama. Bet 500. Hey, fuck all this, man. Bet 500, man. Hey, you gonna bet
Yeah.
what, dog? This we bet?
I
Hey,
bet he
bet
betting
500.
over
I
here.
bet he only bet.
He betting over here.
Hey, I bet he.
Yeah.
Motherfucking lie. Hey, I bet he only bet. Bet 500. Bet 400. Fuck wrong this goddamn man. You gonna make this fall? You gonna make this fall? Hey, 500. You fuck on your goddamn head. Back up, ice cream truck. Back up, ice cream truck.
He betting over.
Hey, man.
Yeah, he betting over on this.
He been a push-up out there.
Yeah.
Ice cream truck.
Yeah, he betting over here.
Hey, turn that motherfucking hat around. Hey, I'm gonna take this goddamn hat around. Hey, bet 500. Hey, bet 500. Fuck on this goddamn. Hey, some of the motherfucking head, man. Hey,
Yeah, he betting on this.
he ain't gonna bet shit.
Yeah, he just talking.
Hey,